This is going to be a video tutorial on how to turn on or off JavaScript on the Waterfox web browser. I will be using a desktop PC for this. Let me jump over to my browser here. I have the Waterfox web browser opened up now. To turn on or off JavaScript, the first thing you want to do is open up Settings. I'm going to go off to the upper right hand corner, up to the 3 Bar Hamburger Menu. I'm going to click on that. Then I'm going to go down to where it says Settings, and I'm going to click on Settings. Now on the page that opens up, the pane off to the left hand side, you want to click on Privacy and Security. Then on the center pane, you want to scroll down a ways, down to where you see the Permissions section, and in the Permissions section, right down towards the bottom, it says Enable JavaScript. By default, this is probably checked. JavaScript is enabled, but to disable it, you would uncheck this box. That disables JavaScript. That is how to enable or disable JavaScript on the Waterfox web browser. Thanks for watching.